Good morning. How did you sleep?
I slept well. What about you?
Do you want coffee or tea?
I'll have coffee, please.
It looks cloudy today.
Yes, it might rain later.
Are you ready for work?
Almost. I just need my bag.
Is this seat taken? No, you can sit here. Did you finish the homework?
Yes, it was easy.
Do you have a meeting today?
Yes, at 10 a.m.
How's your day going?
It's going pretty well.
What would you like to order?
I'll have a sandwich.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm watching a movie.
Do you want to join us?
Sure, I'd love to.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week.
That's great. How much does this cost?
It's $20.
Can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books.
Do you have plans this weekend?
Not yet. Maybe I'll relax.
I feel tired lately.
You should get more sleep.
Yeah, you're right. I have a headache.
You should see a doctor.
I'm sorry I'm late.
That's okay.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
It's next to the supermarket.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. Pizza is always a good choice.
Right? It's the best. Hello, can I speak to Anna?
She's not here right now.
I'd like to make an appointment.
What day works for you?
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your goal this year?
I want to improve my English.
You speak English very well.
Thank you. I practice every day.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, once last year.
Where is the check-in counter?
It's over there.
Let's try something new.
That sounds interesting.
I think this is a good idea.
I agree with you.
I don't think that's right.
Maybe, but I see it differently.
Did you watch the new movie?
Yes, it was amazing.
What do you think about it?
I think it's very useful.
I feel nervous.
Don't worry. You'll do great.
I want to speak fluently.
Keep practicing every day.
Today was productive.
Yes, we learned a lot.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Good night. Sweet dreams.